Hi, this is Heather with Keep It Simple Social Media, and in this quick little video, I'm going to show you how you use IGTV. Now, IGTV is a standalone app that's part of the Instagram family. So if I open my Instagram account, you can see over in the middle, I have a little TV set with a squiggly in it. If I click on that, these are all videos that I've uploaded using the IGTV app, and that is because these videos are longer than 1 minute. So if I go out of my Instagram account and I point to the IGTV and we click on that, this is where we would upload our video that's longer than 1 minute. We would click on the house in the bottom left-hand corner.
I had a unique
and then we would click on the plus sign in the top right-hand corner. And it would then say, where is the video that you want to upload? So you would click on the lower left-hand corner, which is going to be all your videos. And it pulls up all the videos you have on your phone that can go onto your IGTV account. And I'm going to show you what we do first with these videos that are longer than 1 minute when they are in a Facebook or a widescreen opposed to the long and narrow or vertical format that is required for IGTV and Instagram. So stay tuned. Okay, now in order to get our video onto our IGTV channel, we airdropped the video from our desktop computer onto our phone, and it is now saved in the camera roll. We want to then go to the app called Inshot. Open up the app Inshot and then go ahead and click on video and then click on new. Now you have to know where your video is and click on your video and then click the check mark. From here, it has loaded the video, and what we want to do is click on the word canvas. Now, depending on how much writing or graphs you're showing in this video, you can either format it to the 4.5 size or the 9.16, and that will make the video frame smaller and the words or graphs that you're showing will show up better. But that's up to you, and you're going to have to figure out what is best. Now, we had a landscape video which would not load to IGTV, so we needed to change the format. I'm going to go with the 4.5, and I'm going to click the check mark, and then I'm going to go ahead and click the upload button in the top right-hand corner, and it is going to save the video, and as you can see, it is loading the video. Once this video is loaded, it is then ready to be added to the IGTV. Now, you cannot put a video that's longer than 1 minute directly as a post onto your Instagram account. You have to use the app IGTV. This is set up for videos that are longer than 1 minute, and in a lot of cases, the video has to be under 15 minutes. Some accounts allow for videos to be longer, but in most cases, your video is going to have to be under 15 minutes long. And you can also trim that video in the app called Inshot. So you want to pay attention to how long is your video, and is it going to be cut off, or have you perhaps going to put it into 2 different videos? That'll be your decision. So let's just wait for this video to go ahead and upload. And once it's finished its upload, we're just going to click the check mark. And then what we're going to do is we're going to delete the video, because we don't want to keep saving video after video, because when we're finished with it, we don't need to have it saved anywhere on the app. So now the video is done. We're going to go ahead and click saved and the back arrow. From here, we're going to click the back arrow again, and I'm going to discard, and I'm going to put in the garbage that video because I have saved it on my camera roll. So now what I'm going to do is go to the app IGTV, click on it, and then I want to make sure that I'm on the right account. So I'm going to go to the right account. And then from here, we're going to click the plus sign in the top right-hand corner. And we're going to go ahead and click on the lower left-hand corner, which opens our camera roll. And we're going to choose the video that we want. And then we're going to click the arrow in the bottom right. And now our video is starting to load. Let's click next. We'll need a title and a description. Now, I showed you how I copied my notes and put them into my app of my notes. So if I open up my notes and I update it, it should quickly take me to this text, which is what I'm going to copy by holding my finger down and dragging it until I have everything that I want copied, and click copy. Now I'm going to go back to IGTV and I'm just going to click and paste it in. I'm going to go back to my notes. And we also have to give the video a title. So I've typed in the title, I've got my description done, and I'm just going to go ahead and click post to IGTV.
Keep it simple social media.
And I can click over on the bottom corner and you can see it's telling me I don't have a good connection now, but once I have a good connection, it will try to upload the video again. Okay, you can see now that it is loading the video with the blue line that's going across. And sometimes it happens fast and sometimes it can take even half an hour. It depends what your internet connection is like. But once it has finished loading, it will just follow sequence into your videos on your IGTV channel.